Which is more acidic and why? These are both the compounds are substituted benzoic acids. These are the compounds. How will they dissociate? They dissociate like this. What I told you, the stability of carboxylate ion decides the acidity of the carboxylic acid. So, if you compare the stability of the carboxylate ion in these two cases, CF3 is again electron withdrawing group. CF3 is electron withdrawing group. So, it withdraws electrons, whereas CH3 is electron releasing group. Electron withdrawing group nature of CF3 increases the stability of carboxylate ion, whereas electron releasing nature of CH3 decreases the stability of the carboxylate ion. So, when CF3 is there in the para position, that benzoic acid will be more acidic compared to CH3 in the para position. So, this compound is more acidic than the second compound. What is the reason there? Electron withdrawing nature of CF3 group. Strong electron withdrawing nature of CF3 group. So, which is more acidic? This compound is more acidic.